Does your PC or laptop encounter viruses like Trojan? Or are you guys going to sell your device? If so, before doing that, don't forget to reset your device. So here in this tutorial, you will learn about factory reset Windows 10 and full installation process. Hello everyone, this is Ganesh. Okay, let's start the video without delay. Right click over window, then select setting, then go to update and security, choose recovery option. You can see reset this PC, then click over get started. Then there are mainly two options. The one is keep my files and another is remove everything. And the first option removes apps and setting only but not personal file. And the second one is remove everything, that removes all of your personal files, apps and setting, which is normally called hard reset or factory reset. Now I am going to choose second one. There are mainly two options to reinstall Windows. The first is cloud and second is local. So I am going to choose local reinstall. Here you can see the current settings, which includes this feature. You must need to read. For more setting, click on change setting. I want to clear all data, files and reinstall Windows from this device. So I am going to select yes option for all. Then click over confirm. After checking all the settings, click on next. This will take a few minutes. And the final clickable button to reset the PC is showing here. After clicked over reset, the device is preparing to reset.
1 hour later.
And the computer will automatically restart. And the device is going on.
Two hours later.
Here you can see the on-screen about TPM, which is a computer chips that can securely store artifacts that includes passwords, certificates or encrypted keys. If you want to clear this, then click over F12. Otherwise else, I am going to press F12. That means I am going to clear all of them. And the installation process is going on.
A few moments later.
Select the default region. The keyboard layout USS. Skip this for now. I am going to skip this network setting as well. Then accept the agreement. Then name the PC which you want. Then passport. Here you can also create security question for alternative login. I am going to select question and answer them. skip for now. We are finally on the home page. If you have any queries, please leave a comment below.